What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jas. We're going over our Cardano, guys. We came down to our buy zone and we bounced just as we had predicted in the last video. So we're sitting at 175. We're up about 7% right now. We're sitting on a market cap of 57.52 billion, 24-hour on 3.34 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. And you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. $25 in their native coin Crow just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop into ADA, guys. So I said in my last video, I said if we come down to that 157, 155, as you can see here, it lines up with the 0.5. I said that's the level of support we can't afford to lose, or else we're going to create a reversal wave. I said if we do come down there, I would expect us to see a bounce rather quickly, and that's exactly what happened. So if you use all our buy zones, currently your average price is sitting at about $1.82, $1.83, and your take profit is all the way up here at $2.38. Now we still have a lot of work to do here with ADA. We need to get back above 174, this previous level of support. Now flipped into resistance, because if we hit it as resistance, what can happen is we come down, we create a double bottom, and then we see our breakout back to the upside, which is a possibility here, guys. But if we can break this level of resistance, get back above the EMAs, I'm going to take this out. This was invalidated. That's when we can see continuation, break above 189 and start heading back to the upside here. If we pop over to ADA, I'm actually going to pop into this chart right here. So we talked about 155 in our last video with our inverted Fibonacci pull from our swing low to our swing high. I said if we lose 155, we're creating a reversal wave and we come all the way back down to $1. But I said I don't think it's likely. I think it's more likely if we come down to that level that we bounce back rather quickly. And that's exactly what happened here. So we're here on the daily time frame. So what we want to see is we get back above the golden ratio. We hold it as support. We see continuation back above the EMAs, back above the 0.786. And that's when we can come back up to tackle the previous all-time high from back in May and come up to our all-time high, which is at near close to 1.272, coming in at about $3.12 for ADA. We also have this falling wedge pattern. We broke down slightly, but we've thrown back up into the pattern. This is here on the weekly time frame, actually. If you can see us come up, get back above the weekly 20, break out. Our target is all the way up here at the previous all-time high, which is coming in, it's coming in about 303. Let's get 312, 311 here, 310. So if you can see us come back up, we break out of this pattern. Your target is up here at 310. We have our bull run targets for ADA, the 1.618 at 434. We have the 2, we can actually move this up a little bit. We have the 2 extension at 621 and the 2.272, which is coming in at about $8 for ADA. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, we've broken out of this symmetrical triangle. I had posted it in the Discord, but we're getting rejected by the 55. So we need to see Bitcoin get back above the 55 EMA. And that's when we can head up to this technical target of 61,000. We had our bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. It's starting to play out here. We had a little bit of a double bottom. You can see a double bottom in this pattern here, and we've broken out. We need to get back above the EMAs on the daily. We still have a lot of work to do here with Bitcoin. We're just pushing back above the 55, so keep a close eye on the 20 EMA on the daily, can act as a level of resistance. And we also want to see us get back above about 58.5K. Can see the support in this area. That would be a strong sign in my opinion. If we do get rejected, do target 54.9. So we'll finish off the video here with ADA. Do watch 174. If you see us roll, do look for that double bottom pattern here. And if we get back above it, your next level of resistance here at 189. And your take profit zone is here at 211 if you're using our dollar cost average strategy. And your average price is sitting at about 182, 183. That's a juicy trade of about 16% for ADA. So that's it for this one, guys. Shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. Smash that like button. You can follow me on IG if you'd like to. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.